Today, we're going to be working with cloth manipulation, which is very difficult and not too many people are trying to do. We're going to be feeding linen, and we're going to be folding linen. We're going to be using different techniques to be able to put linen through different types of machinery. We're here with Acumino. They have some really amazing technology to really power robotics and all the things that are needed to the difficult challenges that textiles present.
And the reason I'm doing this with these interfaces is so that this can be taught to a robot, and I missed the sensor of it went in, and can be transferred to the robot, the one-to-one, instead of us doing it with hand and then being transferred to the robots. And as I'm doing this, we are tracking the movements of the interfaces. So how are we approaching the travel task it's putting up? So we're tracking the quick features of the interfaces and how the towel is being grabbed, where it is being grabbed, how heavy it is, and all this information are like stored intrinsically.
This might be the fastest one I've seen.
Yeah.
I suck at video games, but yeah. Go, baby, go.
I think the wiring in this switch has gone back. What's happening?
So we've got a little issue with the equipment, but to keep rolling, we're going to pivot and do some dry folding. We were using an automated machine, so now we're going to pivot and do it by manual.
The unique advantage of the Acumino system is that it is wearable. This wearable system allows you to accommodate as extensions of the human body any kind of robotic gripper, any kind of robotic hand. And you can teach it on the fly a set of dexterous tasks. How to execute material handling, material deposition, assembly, or any other complex activity that humans typically do in factories. We believe that Spindle is the best possible partner for the commercial laundry industry. They know the market very, very well. They have long-lasting relationships within the market. They know the key players. They know the needs. They know what we need to automate, how we need to automate it, with what technologies.
Where we will be a year from now will be mind-blowing, frankly, because it's something that laundries have always dreamed would be possible, and they're going to see it in action in laundries because of the Spindle Acumino partnership. Just the thought of it is already blowing our customers' minds, and they are completely on board. So a year from now, is it going to be at a commercial viable speed? Maybe, maybe not. Will it be in 2 years? I'm pretty sure it will be, and we're going to be the ones doing it with Acumino.